is the way that you left me, side by side in your car in the backseat. Wide awake is the way that you left me. Oh, now it's clear we are here back at your house, and I keep fading into the background. I'm wide awake now, you keep missing out for sure. Take down your walls and let me ooh. Yeah.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. So, the day after, right? The morning after the Super Bowl, hubby and I, once the last person was gone the night before, which was roughly about 10:30, quarter to 11, not too crazy, right? Um, we just, we were a team and we just started cleaning up everything down in the basement, which wasn't too, not too crazy. Bagged up whatever food was left over and things. And I did wash up all of these things. I was not going to let it sit. So I did. And we were just talking and conversating. Girl, we love to talk. So, yes, on that. Just saying how everything went, and it was really nice to have all our friends over and things, and everybody had such a good time, right? So yeah, this is me, like, leisure before work. I'm always doing something anyway, but this particular morning it was definitely a cleanup because there was no way I was going to come home after work and have to do that and cook dinner. Yeah, something wasn't going to get done, but just coming into that would have made me extremely anxious. So you knew I was going to take care of it before I walked out of the door. So just a couple things had to go back in here in the dining room. I keep under here, right, nice and tight in there, right, safe. Don't want it to break. And Hershey was right up under me. But yeah, so just, doing the regular routine, my regular morning routine, but I just had to add that in there too.
Let me ooh. I wanna be right there by your side. I wanna be there, won't you be mine? Take down your walls and let me, yeah, brick by brick, now let me
So yes, on the fit, I'm rocking, right? Everything was thrifted. And I believe I showed you the pants in a couple videos back where I was washing all the thrifted items I had gotten in the beginning of the video. So the pants were $6.99, and the sweater was, which I love the cow neck. So the sweater was $4.99, and it was green tag. So it was half off. So I ended up paying $2.49 for the sweater and $6.99 for the pants. So yes, on that. So I'm just making my coffee, right? I think I was doing a Harry Potter this morning, and I threw a little bit of my French vanilla, which I love, from Wawa. So yes, on that. And again, I'm just moving at my normal pace, right? This is not sped up or anything. This is me just rocking and trying to get things done before I go to work, sprinkling a little bit of that cinnamon in there, right? So yeah, my priority was just to get this kitchen together. Oh my goodness. So I'm just cleaning my glasses right now, and yeah, just doing everything at a nice pace, right?
in my bed 5 to 12, wish I could sleep. Dream about all the ways you could reach me, but now you keep missing out on me, that's for sure. Take down your walls and let me ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me ooh. I wanna be right there by your side. I wanna be there, won't you be mine?
So, right about now, I'm trying to figure out what I'm supposed to be doing. I was thinking about eating some cereal, and I was like, I don't feel like it. And then I went in here looking for a container, maybe, to put these are the leftover slices of hoagies that we had. So, so good. We were not getting rid of these, right? Hubby and I both, we both made some to take to work, right? So he just made a couple for himself. I took some for, some of the ladies I work with, and we just had a good old time at work. I took the Super Bowl plates and everything, so all the toppings. It was so funny. Oh my goodness. But yes, you see me? I got all the all the toppings, right? I need it all. Hubby bought the tiny mayo. We didn't even use it. I took that. It was a whole thing. Oh my goodness. So I'm just making sure like I don't want it to leak or anything like that, which it was cool in the gang. But I wanted to get these into one of the gallon bags just to be on the safe side. You know what I mean? But girl, oh my goodness, it was better the next day. It was so good. That was not going to waste.
Let me, yeah, brick by brick now let me. Won't you be mine? Won't you be mine? Won't you be mine? Won't you be mine?
So yes, on making it tight, right? And then I'll grab my black bag, right? I wanted to put my loafers in the bottom because it's so cold outside that I wanted to put my Uggs on. So, but the fit, right, need the loafers. So I had to make sure that I had them. So I stuck them in the bottom of the bag. I put the other bag on top, and now I'm good to go, right? So, yes, on that. I just want to clean up a couple more things off of the counter. These, I think someone bought these for the girls. You know, the little tiny Pop Tart bites, I feel like they are. So, I wanted to put those away. And now I'm like kind of walking fast because I looked at the time. Girl, it's time to go. So, I wanted to heat up my coffee and everything so I can get it into my tumbler and get out of my Mickey Mouse Crocs, right? And throw what do I have on my feet? Oh, the Tootsie Roll socks. Yes, on that from the Dollar Tree. They match perfectly with my outfit. So, yes, on that. So, yeah, throwing the Uggs on, right, so the feet can be nice and warm. Oh, my goodness. So, I'm grabbing my coffee, and I feel like it was still something I was supposed to be doing, but now I can't remember what it was. Like I was supposed to be cleaning up or something, I think. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, that's exactly what I thought. I knew I was going to be wiping the counters and things down at some point because I like for things to just be nice and clean for the girls when they come home from school, and they have snacks and things. They don't have to worry about any crumbs or anything. So I just want to make sure the space is clean, right? So I'm going to throw on, it's time to go, girl. I'm going to throw on a Gore-Tex because it's freezing right now, right? Throw the scarf on and get all cozy, and I'll be good to go. And then later, when I get home, we are going to get into this closet. I have this new system for my clothes that I am dying to implement. Oh my goodness. Look at me. And I'm so excited about it. So, yeah, we're going to start it together. I am nice and snug. All right, I'll see you when I get home. Okay, so here we go. My closet is open, right? And it's a lot going on. I feel like I'm backing up a little bit. So we got bags on either side of the doors, like all kinds of bags, right? And then I have bags up top here, kind of tipping over a little bit. Some more bags over there. I have sweaters on the shelves, and then I have, oh, my Bridgerton sweatshirt. Yes. I have short sleeves and long sleeves over here, right? Like everything I wear on for the most part is in here. Even my shoes, straight across the back. I got everything, the sandals, the sneakers, right? The work shoes, the boots is back there on the floor. It's just a whole lot going on. Perfumes over here, more bags over here, right? Yeah. Oh my goodness. Right. So then I have work pants, leisure, jeans and things over here. And then I got some things in the middle. And in my hamper, more bags over here. I have some things rocking to the back left. It's a lot of jerseys over there, some denim, button ups, corduroy. And then, yeah, some more things over here. So the only thing I feel like is it's neat, but it's just this is the mess right here, but not really. The jeans are cool in the gang, but I say all of this to say what I would like to do is switch this up. So right now it's all tops, and then it's like cardigans and dresses over here, then pants, right? Sweaters up here. I want to make style suites in my closet. So I am not gravitating from one section to the next section to the next section. Do you understand what I'm saying? So I want to create suites in here. Maybe it'll be less stressful. Maybe it'll be less stressful if I have less things, honestly. And I know that I'm thrifting, but I'm thrifting because I lost weight and a lot of my clothes don't fit me anymore. So it's just a whole thing. And with that being said, because I'm not going to stop thrifting, I love it. I know some of these things, a whole lot of this stuff in here is going to get thrifted. So that's what my goal is now, to create style suites. So this will probably be work over here, and then, weekends, every day, other over there. And yeah, it's in my head. It needs to come out of my head. I need to brain dump it into the closet is what I need to do. So wish me luck. I'll let you see the progress in a little bit. So far, the sweaters are done. Up top is my leisure, which, oh my goodness. I mean, I know I have things around the closet. It's probably going to be a couple more things up here, but I thought it was more than that. And then down here are the work sweaters. So yeah, I'm actually feeling this little situation already. And it was a couple up here that were way too big for me now, so I just tried them on Sid and they fit her perfectly. So it is the next day, and let me tell you, I am really feeling this, right? So I am pretty much done outside of, a couple things that need to be hung up with my work suite. So that is what is rocking over here. It was kind of already like this, but now everything is here. All of my shirts, short sleeve, long sleeves for work, right? Tunics, sweaters, and everything is here. My pants and all. I even picked out my outfit for tomorrow already, and I did it so fast because I didn't have to look in this spot and that spot all over my closet. So I'm just gonna rock, right? This right here is like a sleeveless turtleneck, but then I'm gonna throw on the camo, right? And then my black slacks over here, and I'll wear some black penny loafers with it. So, oh my goodness, I'm so excited about this. And right next to it, I started my leisure. If I gotta run somewhere after work, come in, shower, change, throw, right? My weekend. I got a lot of denim. Like, oh my goodness. I'm working on this now. I have some skirts, right? Some jeans. This is all weekend. And, I still have some space. I'm not nearly done over here, but I did start it. So, like, I had all of this, a lot of this was over in my work suite. So I had to switch it on over. So, girl, I'm excited about it. I'll keep you posted as I progress in here. Yes. So remember these hangers and things, right? For all of these are my leggings, and like the short leggings, the long ones, and everything. I'm not really rocking anymore. I don't want to be tight and constricted. I will fold them up and keep what I want. And these can go on the shelf. But now I've gained a little bit more space, right? Because this was weekend leisure. You know what I mean? So, Yeah, I'm working on it. Okay, new day. It actually looks worse than what it did when I started, but not really because I have my hamper full of dirty clothes, right? That needs to go downstairs. And then all of this stuff on the floor right here is actually donations. So I don't feel too bad. This will all be clear. Um, but yeah, I have some jeans over there rocking. So I'm kind of working my way over to the left side now, and then I'll end with the shoes, but it's definitely going to take me some more time. But yeah, the work suite is pretty much done, right? I showed you this, the sweaters. I added my t-shirts up there like when I layer, right? So those are perfect. And I was showing you all the denim and things, skirts and all of that is still rocking over there. So this is what I added. Remember, I took the leggings down. So yes, on the long leggings, and these are the shorter ones, like the shorts. So yeah, this is the only thing that I added outside of putting everything on the floor. So I am definitely feeling the suites that I'm putting together. Like when I pan over here, right, to the work suite and all of this, that's so satisfying. I cannot wait until I finish, but it is definitely going to take me a few days, you guys. Yeah, I'll just keep you posted on it. I'm gonna go. I'll see you soon. Bye.